Hey guys, Pete Kopech here with Keller Williams, inviting you to check out our newest listing here in Bloomfield, New Jersey. We are at 17 Cottage Place. Now, this adorable 3-bedroom, 1-bath colonial has so much to offer, but one of the greatest parts is the location. So you're on a quiet, dead-end street here, but you're just a short walk from Broad Street here in Bloomfield. And if you're not familiar with Broad Street, we've got tons of shops and restaurants, bars, and tons of stuff to do right here on Broad Street. You're also close to parks, and one of the greatest parts is your short walking distance here. There's a skate park here, there's pickleball courts, there's tons of stuff to do, just a short walk right here in this playground area. And then you've also got Foley Field, which has a walking track, the football field, soccer, and they also do the 4th of July fireworks here. So there's always something going on here in Bloomfield, and you're right here in the center of it. So let's stop talking about it and let's take you through it. All right, guys, well, that does it for us here at 17 Cottage Place. I hope you enjoyed the tour as much as I enjoyed giving it. I'd say one of the best things about this house, aside from just the location is amazing, we know that, you know, the inside is beautiful, of course, with the hardwood floors and just the layout alone, but you've got this awesome backyard here. It's nice and quiet and kind of off the beaten path. You really don't have anybody bothering you, and like I said, it's nice and quiet. So hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know, and we'll see you on the next one. Oh, hi, Melee. Good to see you. Oh, I'm mic'd up, so they're going to hear that one.